Choosing to welcome a dog into your life during your senior years is one of the most beautiful and life-affirming decisions you can make. It's a promise of companionship, routine, and unconditional love. But the key to a happy, harmonious match lies in choosing a canine partner whose energy, size, and care needs align perfectly with a more relaxed, peaceful lifestyle. The ideal senior companion isn't about the best breed in the world, but the right breed for this wonderful chapter of life. This is Paw Truth. Today, we're counting down the perfect partners for golden years. We're focusing on temperament, ease of care, and that special soulful connection. From number 10 to number 1, here are the best dog breeds for seniors. Our caring disclaimer: every dog is an individual. This is a guide based on general breed traits. Always meet a dog in person, consider adoption, and consult your doctor to ensure you're ready for the responsibility. A perfect match makes every day brighter. Let's begin our countdown. Number 10, the Cavalier King, Charles Spaniel. We start with a true gentle soul. The Cavalier is the definition of a companion breed, bred for centuries to be a loving lapdog for royalty. Their size is perfectly manageable, typically under 18 pounds, and their temperament is famously sweet, affectionate, and adaptable. They are happy with a couple of short, gentle walks each day, and will spend the rest of their time contentedly by your side, offering quiet affection. Their long, silky coat does require regular brushing, but their eagerness to please and low-key nature make them a wonderfully easygoing first choice. Number 9, the Boston Terrier. Affectionately dubbed the American Gentleman, the Boston Terrier is a compact, tidy package of charm. Weighing under 25 pounds, they are sturdy without being cumbersome. Their short coat is incredibly easy to care for, needing only a quick weekly brush. Bostons are known for their even, friendly temperament. They are more likely to offer a wagging tail and a snort of joy than excessive barking. They enjoy short play sessions and walks, but are equally supreme cuddlers. Their manageable exercise needs and minimal grooming make them a practically perfect, low-maintenance companion. Number 8, the Shih Tzu. Bred solely to be a loving companion, the Shih Tzu lives to adore their person. These are confident, cheerful little dogs who believe every day is a good day if it's spent with you. While their luxurious coat can grow long and requires commitment to brushing, many owners opt for a practical, easy-care puppy cut that eliminates most of the fuss. They need only moderate short walks, as their purpose is companionship, not endurance. Alert yet not yappy, affectionate without being overly needy, the Shih Tzu offers devoted love in a portable, graceful package. Number 7, the Pug. Here is a breed whose entire mission statement is love and comic relief. Pugs are famously people-oriented, thrive on human attention, and have a wonderfully silly, loving demeanor that can brighten any day. Their exercise needs are modest short walks, and indoor play are plenty. Their short coat is easy to care for, though their facial wrinkles need regular cleaning. Pugs are typically quiet, get along well with everyone, and are happiest when they are the center of your domestic universe. They offer unwavering devotion and constant gentle entertainment. Number 6, the Greyhound. This may be the list's most surprising entry, but retired racing greyhounds are among the ultimate senior companions. Known as 45-mile-per-hour couch potatoes, these majestic, quiet dogs require far less exercise than their athletic build suggests. A few short walks and a brief sprint in a secure area is often enough. They spend the rest of the day in a state of elegant repose. Their short coat is low-shedding and easy to groom. They are gentle, sensitive souls who appreciate a calm, predictable routine. Adopting a retired racer gives a dignified dog a deservedly soft retirement, matching your own pace perfectly. Number 5, the Cocker Spaniel. For the senior who desires a slightly more active, traditionally beautiful dog, the Cocker Spaniel is a superb choice. They are the happy medium, merry, gentle, and always willing for a sniff-filled walk in the park or a quiet evening at home. Their joyful but soft temperament is ideally suited for companionship. While their silky coat requires regular brushing and occasional professional grooming, their eagerness to please and adaptable nature make the care a labor of love. A Cocker's wagging tail and sweet expression are a constant source of warmth. Number 4. The French Bulldog. The endlessly popular Frenchie earns its place through sheer adaptability and charm. These are compact, muscular dogs with minimal exercise, needs a short daily walk, and some indoor play satisfy them completely. They are not barkers, making them excellent for apartments or quiet communities. Their short, smooth coat is effortless to maintain. Frenchies form intensely strong bonds with their owners, offering hilarious personality and steadfast loyalty. They ask for little more than your company and a cozy lap, making them a wonderfully low-maintenance, high-love breed. Number 3. The Bichon Frise. A cloud of cheerful optimism, the Bichon Frise is a hypoallergenic breed whose merry heart is its best feature. They are small, light on their feet, and famously good-natured, bringing a sunny disposition to every day. While their white fluffy coat requires regular professional grooming to prevent matting, they shed very little, which is a boon for housekeeping. Their exercise needs are met with short walks and playful interaction. The Bichon's primary goal is to be your happy, gentle friend, and they excel at it with a grace that is both uplifting and calming. Number 2. The Pembroke Welsh Corgi. For the active senior who still enjoys regular, moderate activity, the Corgi is a brilliant, intelligent companion. Don't let their short legs fool you. They were bred to herd all day and have the stamina for a good walk. But they are also remarkably adaptable and thrive on mental stimulation just as much as physical. Their intelligence makes them engaging and easy to train, and their loyal, affectionate nature bonds them deeply to their person. Their double coat does shed, but regular brushing manages it. A Corgi offers lively companionship, steadfast loyalty, and a wonderful reason to stay active and engaged. And number 1, the perfect senior companion, the rescue mixed breed. While purebreds have predictable traits, the number 1 spot is reserved for the limitless potential of a rescued mixed breed dog, specifically an adult or senior dog. Why is this the ultimate choice? Because with a rescue, what you see is what you get. Their personality, size, and energy level are already fully formed. Shelters and rescue groups are filled with calm, house-trained, grateful adult dogs, whose only wish is for a quiet home and a gentle hand. You can find every trait on this list in a rescue: the low-shedding coat, the moderate energy, the gentle temperament, without the potential health concerns of some purebreds. By choosing a rescue, you are not just getting a pet. You are giving a second chance and gaining a devoted friend who understands the gift of a peaceful home. It is the most meaningful, mutually beneficial match of all. Choosing a canine companion for your senior years is about enhancing your life with joy, not adding burden. It's about shared sunbeams, quiet companionship, and the gentle rhythm of care and affection. Whether you choose a specific breed or open your heart to a rescue, the right dog brings a unique, furry brand of happiness that makes every day richer, fuller, and filled with love. Here's to finding your perfect, peaceful partner. If this guide was helpful, please give it a like to help other seniors find their perfect match. Subscribe to Paw Truth for more thoughtful insights on living well with dogs. We'd love to hear in the comments, which breed do you think makes the best companion? Thank you for watching, and may you find the perfect four-legged friend to share your golden years.